Hi everyone! Sorry that it's taken so long for us to post another video. Oliver has been sick and teething. I've been sick and pregnant, and Asuelu's just been hanging out, so.
I was working outside and inside. So that's updates from us.
Some quick updates on our lives since we've kind of been MIA. I'm 37 weeks pregnant today. This is my belly at 37 weeks. Hi baby, you smiling at mama? Yay! Hopefully the baby will come soon because I'm uncomfortable and I'm tired and I'm just ready to be done with being pregnant. Oliver here, say hi. Oliver has teethed 2 molars. He has 2 more still popping out. So that's been kind of miserable lately, but he still is pretty good even when he's sad.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is new with you?
I'm very excited that I got my security number yesterday and also my ID.
What came today?
Game of Thrones.
Shut up! What came today in the mail?
Oh, it's my employment number.
Your work permit.
My work permit.
You can finally work in America.
I can finally work in America. Woo! Yes.
Cover your information, but let me see your picture. Wow!
Why?
That's exciting. It's been a long time coming. But
So, if you guys live here in St. George, if you guys know where to find a good job or good money, let me know. Text me
oh,
or email me, Mike Asuelu at
don't say your email. Other updates, baby names. We still don't have a baby name picked out. We don't have the hospital bag packed. We aren't really ready. What names do you like?
My mom wants to name him someone name, but Kalani don't like it, so
It's the name for a window. That's why I don't want to name him that.
I
Window.
explain.
How do you say window?
Fa'amalama.
Okay, and what's the name?
Fangamalama.
That sounds like gun window.
So she tried to. If you know the word, it's fanga malama. It's like fanga, it's a gun, and malama, that's wrong. Fanga malama, it's like shining. Fa'a malama, it's like a window.
What American names for a baby do you like, Asuelu?
Nothing.
You liked American names with Oliver.
Oliver. That's the name you picked.
Baby, you...
That's the name you told me to pick, and Daniel, whatever, and I said Oliver.
You picked it. You wrote it in this thing. I am giving you the name Oliver. I will get it out and I will show you it.
Baby, you're wrong.
Stop. Stop it.
Baby, come here.
So I named you my first baby boy Oliver. It means you bring the peace to our family and the whole world, and God will bless you. And then you talk about yourself, you filthy effing liar. Asher or Kennedy?
Kennedy. What's spell it? Kennedy.
Kennedy.
Who's Kennedy? What's the meaning?
My dad.
Your dad's name is Kennedy.
Yeah, that's the English word
No.
for my dad's name.
You liar.
Kennedy is the English word for my dad's name.
No.
Yeah.
What's Kennedy meaning?
I don't know.
Yes.
My dad, that's what it means. Asuelu's still dancing with his dance group.
And also we're gonna perform this Saturday for the Kite Festival. And also shout out to my PUBG.
Why are you doing shout outs?
Shout out to my PUBG friends.
We are updating. Oh, since we're talking about PUBG.
Shout out to Edifido and Longovi, the players of Manu Samoa. And shout out to the 7 boys of the Manu Samoa. They play this weekend in Singapore. Nice game.
Good luck, boys. But aside from that, Asuelu plays PUBG all day long. So we're very excited for his work permit so that he won't play PUBG and torture me. He's so focused. He's so determined. I hate that game. I hate it. Baby, say hi. Not you, baby. This other guy. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
What are you playing?
PUBG.
Oh.
Just remind you all, I will play live my PUBG, so I'm kind of professional. Next month it's my birthday.
How old are you gonna be?
I'm 24.
Oh.
24. So if you want, I invite everyone to come to my birthday. I will tell you the location. So
It's in Vegas.
Vegas and the address. Oh, I tell you the address, so you can come and see me there and yeah, just have fun, enjoy.
Are you gonna drink alcohol?
No.
You're a liar.
No.
I'm drinking alcohol. Gentle. Tutu. Gentle. Tutu the baby. What? My goodness.
So my wife found the popcorn, tried to find, but I already found the popcorn. But she still look for it. So let's go find where my wife is. It's no. It's finished. So she didn't know I already got the. Now she look at.
One of my favorite things about this house is the backyard and the view. So pretty. Huh, Bean? I love this too. The mountains still have snow. Oliver's hair is getting too crazy. So Asuelu is cutting his hair so that Oliver can see. Show me your hair. Wow. Oh my goodness. Baby's first haircut. Hi, handsome. You're so happy to get a haircut. Oh my gosh, he looks so cute. Hi, big old boy. He's loving it. He loves it. It's tickling him. Wow. Here, I want that. Wow, he loves his first haircut. He loves it. I'm so happy you love it, Choo-Choo. Yeah, is that tickle? Is that tickle? Good job, Bean. Wow. The two twins.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope next time we update for the next baby. Bye. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.